Saw him glide, moved on, no trace of a sound. With a bag on his back where he carried what's gone. And no goes bent beneath the moments he holds. You may call him to stay, but he's deaf to your words. Oh, time, I see a shadow crawl. Tick-tock, you're haunting my soul. I feel your breath, slow, hollow and cold. I feel it more as the years turn me old. Clock's hanging low from the chains on his sleeve. Their greedy hands reaching out to steal away my years. We spend one time, then 100 more. Every turn makes a stranger of before.